In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your website via a pop-up. We'll walk through this together from inside your Calendly account, and by the end, you'll have a pop-up scheduler that visitors can open directly on your site without ever leaving your page. This is a great way to make booking time with you simple and seamless. First, sign into your Calendly account and head over to your scheduling page. This is where all of your event types live, like discovery calls, demos, or coaching sessions. If you're not already there, look for the section labeled Scheduling or Event Types in your main navigation and open it. Make sure you can see the specific meeting type you want to embed as a pop-up on your site. If you don't see one yet, you may want to create an event type first, then come back to these steps. Once you've located the event type you want to use, move your cursor over it and look for the three dots, usually on the right-hand side of that event's row or card. Those three dots open a small menu with additional options. Go ahead and click on them. This is where Calendly hides a lot of the advanced actions you can take for each event, including adding it to your website. From that menu, select the option that says Add to Website. This tells Calendly you want to embed this specific event on an external site, rather than just sharing it as a regular link. When you click Add to Website, a new panel or pop-up will appear with several different embedding options. In this panel, choose the pop-up option. Depending on the current Calendly layout, this might say something like pop-up widget, or pop-up text, or pop-up button. The key is that you're selecting an option that opens the scheduler as a pop-up rather than embedding it inline on the page. Once you've selected the pop-up style you prefer, follow the on-screen prompts. Calendly will usually ask you to customize things like the button text, colors, or how the pop-up is triggered. Adjust these settings so they match your website's look and feel. At the end of the prompts, Calendly will generate a piece of code for you. Copy that code and paste it into your website builder or HTML, wherever you want the pop-up to